Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing EarthLink Internet, which is a provider that is known for its nationwide coverage and no data cap. But before we begin, you can just check out the link in the description to explore EarthLink's plans and see if it is available in your area. So EarthLink is an internet service provider that offers fiber, DLS and wireless home internet across the US. Unlike some other providers, it prioritizes privacy, no data caps and consistent speeds without throttling. So if I talk about the pros, so you are going to get wide range coverage. It is available in most of the US states and there is no data caps. So you are going to get unlimited browsing without any slowdowns. It is secure and private, so there is no tracking or selling of the customer data, and the fiber internet options are also good. You are going to get the high speed fiber plans up to 5 gigabyte or 5 Gbps in your area. If I talk about the cons, so if you take a look at the pricing, you will see that it will cost you more. So the cost depends on the location and network type, so the prices may vary in your city. If we talk about the second con, so it uses third-party networks, so the service quality may depends on local infrastructure. But if you need a reliable internet provider with no data caps and strong privacy policies, EarthLink is a solid choice. Its fiber plans offer excellent speeds and nationwide availability that makes it a great option for home and business users. So if you want to try it out, you can just use the link that is given down in the description. That is a discount link, so you are going to get some discounts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.